Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be discussing an exciting development in the banking sector. HDFC Bank, India's largest private sector lender, is making headlines as it seeks to expand its international presence by opening its first branch in Singapore. This move comes on the heels of a significant merger with the HDFC Limited and the recent fall in the share prices after market gave a thumbs down to the current quarter results of the HDFC Bank. So today we'll explore the details of HDFC Bank's application for a banking license in Singapore and what it means for its global ambitions. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all things finance and banking. So let's get started. So let's first see what is the news. The news is that HDFC Bank has applied to the Monetary Authority of Singapore, that is MAS, for banking license and is awaiting approval, according to the sources familiar with the matter. It is not clear what kind of banking license HDFC Bank is seeking in Singapore. The banking giant is seeking a bigger presence abroad to tap the Indian diaspora for saving and term deposits, as well as cross-sell more products including mortgages. The bank's international presence includes branches in 4 countries, that is London, Hong Kong, Bahrain, UAE, and 3 representative offices in Dubai, London, and Singapore, offering home loan products to non-resident Indians and persons of Indian origin. Now we'll see what is the competition there. So if you see, there are 8 Indian banks that are present in Singapore. UCO Bank is having 2 branches in the country, while Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, Indian Bank, Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, and Axis Bank have 1 branch each. State Bank of India and ICICI Bank Limited hold qualifying full banking license. So what are these licenses? So there are different categories of banking licenses in Singapore. So if you will see, the first is full bank license. So full bank is a comprehensive bank license, and it is open for both local and foreign banks. They can cater to both retail and corporate clients, and they can also have loan products and ATM networks, everything. So it is a complete banking license. This qualifying full bank license, which most of the Indian banks are having there, like SBI and ICICI, this is open to only foreign banks, and it allows them to have additional branches and on or off premises ATM, as well as to share ATM among themselves also. So they can pool an ATM network and use them. So these QFBs, that is qualifying full bank license, they can establish up to 25 service locations, and they can be physical banks or an offsite ATM locations, everything. Now we'll go to wholesale bank. What is wholesale bank? Wholesale bank engage in same range of banking business as full banks, except that they do not carry out Singapore dollar retail banking activities. It is almost same, but the only slight difference is there regarding this forex dealing of Singapore dollars. Now, what is representative office? Representative office do not conduct any regular banking operation, but promote business and correspondent banking business between their home offices and region. So they are kind of a promoter, and they do it for and facilitate their parent bank back home. So HDFC Bank was having a representative office, but now they are planning to have a full-fledged banking license. Now, why Singapore is important? Singapore has established itself as a leading global financial hub, playing a crucial role in the flow of capital and financial transactions across the world. So they have a pro-business environment, they have political stability and strong legal system, they have low tax rates, efficient regulatory framework is also there. You may be knowing that Singapore is the hub of global arbitration, financial market diversity. They have different kind of products, and it is kind of we can say a laboratory for all kind of financial derivatives and other instruments. They are conceptualized there. Banking and asset management, housing more than 200 global banks. So a host of global banks are present there. Foreign exchange trading. So it is also a hub of foreign exchange trading because of lower tax rate and efficient regulatory framework there. Also, they have free trade and double taxation agreements with different countries. So this is the environment that Singapore has created for itself to function as a global financial hub. Earlier, Hong Kong was the preferred destination for all the global financial institutions, but after the rising influence of China in Hong Kong and the turmoil in the political system, also the COVID has casted a shadow on its reputation, Hong Kong's reputation as global financial hub. So, so we can see that why Singapore is important and how it can benefit HDFC Bank in expanding their global presence. And also, Singapore is having a huge diaspora of Indian people there. There are more than 650,000 people, and they are very well off mostly. So they can have an opportunity to increase their deposits and also market their products. And nowadays, most of the NRIs, they want to invest back in India through real estate and other instruments. So HDFC Bank can be very beneficial, and it can leverage its this move to gather more business in the country. So that's all, friend. And we had delved into HDFC Bank's strategic move to open its first branch in Singapore, signaling a broader international expansion. As we await approval from the Monetary Authority of Singapore, the significance of tapping into the Indian diaspora and cross-selling products, including mortgages, cannot be overstated. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more updates on global finance and banking trends. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to bringing you more exciting news in the future. Until next time, take care, stay informed, and bye-bye.